Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. So today's video we have another case unboxing, and as you see we have a D case. So yes, I already have done a D case, however this was a US one. I do have the worldwide ones and then also have the US ones. So the one I previously did was that one. These come out a little bit later for some reason, but we're going to go ahead, bust this open, and hopefully we can get the treasure hunt or maybe even the super treasure hunt out of this. But I do know there's some really awesome cars, so I'm really excited to get into this. I do know, just by kind of looking at it, there is like some damage on the case. And then this side, I don't know if you can really see it, how smushed that is. So I'm a little bummed about the condition of this case. Oh man, even like right there, I don't know if you can see like that ridge and how smushed that is. So, I don't know, let's just go ahead and carefully lay it on its side as to not disturb stuff as much as it probably already has been. But let's go ahead and cut this sucker open. If you guys don't know, I do have a merch store, and on my merch store I am currently doing a giveaway. And if you guys want to enter into that giveaway, here's the car. It's a Hot Wheel RLC Custom Camaro. I'm giving this to one of you guys. So whoever hops onto my merch store makes a purchase. For every $5 you spend, you get another entry into the giveaway. And I have all kinds of crazy awesome Hot Wheels, even car related products, and a lot of duplicates from this case that are actually in good condition that I don't plan on collecting myself will be on my merch store as well. So definitely go check that out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and slide this off to the side a little bit and go ahead and get started with this case unboxing. Alright, the first three cars. Wow, okay. So first up we have the Glory Chaser, and then we have the Custom 53 Chevy, which that right there is the regular treasure hunt. And wow, I did not expect to get that right off the bat. Right behind the front tire, you guys can probably see that treasure hunt logo. And then, see behind the car, you can kind of see it right there as well on the card. So yeah, the first pull and already got the regular treasure hunt. That is absolutely amazing. And alright, I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. And then the third car was the Night Dragon. Alright, so we have the 2015 Mazda Miata MX5, the 92 Honda Civic EG, that one actually looks really cool, and then the Boom Car. And honestly, that Honda and Miata will probably be on my merch store, so if you guys are interested, first come, first serve, hop on there and check it out. So we have a 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser in orange, a wheelie chair, and a super sought after car. We have the Nissan Skyline GTR R33, and that has that really cool Godzilla kind of design on the side. They did have the R32 prior, but this is the R33, and it also looks amazing. So I do already have a couple of these on my merch store, so if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. Alright, we have the McLaren Solus GT in that nice blue, that kind of cool design on the fenders. We have the Rock and Railer and another Night Dragon. Alright. So we have the 87 Audi Quattro, the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, and then the DeLorean Alfa5, and that's actually the brand new all-electric DeLorean that just came out. So that's a really cool Hot Wheel as well. Alright, we have the Land Rover Series 2 in a new gray. We did see that in green before. A Custom 68 Camaro, and the 23 Ram 1500. Oh, I forgot about this in that case. The Back to the Future Time Machine DeLorean and hover mode. I think that looks really cool. The Roadster and the West Coast Flyer. Alright, we have the Mod Rod, the 07 Chevy Tahoe, and the Hot Wheel 4-track. Ooh, okay, forgot that we had the, there's a Baja Bison T5, another Rock and Railer, but we also have that new Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint from 1966. I think it's a really cool Hot Wheel and really cool Vespa. Alright. We have the Street Wiener, which is really cool. It's like a hot dog with a little grill on the back and a spatula as the front. The Pagani Zonda R in that really nice kind of red maroon color. And then the GT Scorcher. Alright, we got the 73 Honda Civic Custom, the 67 Camaro, and the GMC Hummer EV. And the last three cars of the first half of this case, we have another Mod Rod, the Batman and Robin Batmobile, and the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, which I think that looks really nice. Alright, that is the first half of this case. Let's go ahead, pull that divider and set it aside. And let's go ahead and get started right up on top. I know this is the corner that it's kind of smushed really bad, so hopefully these are in good condition. And we have another Roadster, a 2010 Camaro SS in a really nice kind of neon color. And then the Roger Dodger, which is actually the February 29th. So it's the leap year car, which I think is really cool themed. Alright, let's see. Alright, we got a odd shaped one here. So let's take that out. We do have some damage on one of these, but another Batman and Robin Batmobile. The Mad Mike Drift Attack Mazda, and that one's actually kind of a bent card. It's actually not creased, it's just bent really bad, so that's okay. The 73 Jeep J10 with that really cool kind of K&N livery on the side. Let's see here. Alright, so we have another wheelie chair, DeLorean Alfa5, and another Dodge Little Red Express truck. Alright. We got the West Coast Flyer, 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata, and another Vespa. Alright, we have another 87 Audi Quattro, the Pagani Zonda R, and a Hot Wheel Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. And we have not seen that treasure hunt or the regular version of it yet. I really hope that this does have a treasure hunt, or the super treasure hunt, my bad. And I really hope if it does have it, it's not damaged, because this case is pretty beat up. Honestly, the majority of these cars actually look like they're in great condition. There's a few that are a little damaged, but a lot of the good cars are actually in great condition. So I'm really hoping that the rest of these are pretty good condition. We have the Surfin' School Bus, Mad Mike Drift Attack, and that one's actually in a great condition. And the 23 Ram 1500. Alright, this is a nice pull. So we got the 92 Honda Civic EG, Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, and a 67 Chevy C10. That one actually looks really cool. Alright, we're getting kind of down on the case. Let's see. Ooh, not yet. A Group C Fantasy, another McLaren Solus GT, and another 07 Chevy Tahoe. BMW 507, Mazda RX7, that one actually has a really cool police livery on it. And the Ice Charger from the Fast and the Furious, that one actually looks really cool. And they did previously have it, but this one does have bullet holes on the hood. I don't know if you can really see that very well. It's on the side closest to the card. So that is a really cool little detail they did add on that. Alright, so we have the Glory Chaser, a 57 Jeep FC, and another Batman and Robin Batmobile. Let's see here, I'm kind of getting crazy with the pile here. We only have 6 cars left. Oh, and we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. But there's the Hot Ryler, another Group C Fantasy, And this would have been the super treasure hunt if it wasn't the case. It is the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. I think it's still a really cool car, but if there was the super in here, this would have been swapped out for it. And man, that's too bad. This is still a really nice Hot Wheel though. And we still have 3 more cars in this case. So let's go ahead and check those out. Alright, they are the Street Wiener, the Piranha Terror, and the Mustache. So that's too bad we did not get the super treasure hunt, but we did still get some really awesome cars. A lot of you guys have actually showed interest in these. Actually hit me up on Instagram looking for some of these specific cars, but they are going to be available on my merch store. I do have like a handful of these I'm probably going to collect, especially some of the damaged ones, but a lot of these are in great condition, will be on there. So like I said, link in the description down below, and you guys can go check out all those and definitely get entered into the giveaway to win this Hot Wheel RLC Custom Camaro. But I also do have a lot of other case unboxings. I have like the international cases as well as the US cases. I have every single one of those coming for each. So definitely stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more case unboxing videos and a lot of other awesome Hot Wheel videos, unboxings. Check some out. I do a lot of Hot Wheel races, especially with the 6-lane raceway. Every single day I have a YouTube short going live with those races. But if you guys did like the video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there because you don't want to miss out on all the crazy awesome content. But also don't forget, link in the description down below. You guys can get entered into the giveaway. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.